If you want a story, first you need the guts. Courage opens doors. The blueprint shows you the way. You already know the truth. Staying stuck won't change anything. You need a system, a shift, something real. That's what the Legacy Blueprint gives you. A beginner-friendly online income plan. A flexible approach made for caregivers in real-life chaos. Daily action steps to help you build while still living your life. You've got to be bold enough to begin. The guts are yours. The story, we'll build it together. Are you ready to write your next chapter? Then leave a comment on this video or send me a DM or an email, or you can visit my website for all the information you will need, and let's start building your story.